Hey everyone, we're Denota and we're building NFT pay agreements that revolutionize business payments. So pay agreements today have some major issues that our team actually experienced firsthand as Web3 freelancers. There are three key problems with them. First, unclear payment terms lead to huge delays, frequently leaving both businesses and freelancers without pay. Second, contracts are very expensive. Drafting a contract can be totally cost prohibitive, so people are often forced to risk taking jobs without protection. And lastly, current solutions have significant trust deficits. There's no good way to build reputation, which draws out negotiation and has led to billions of dollars in fraud and disputes. Denota solves the problems with pay agreements through our innovative NFT solution with clear and simple payment terms encoded within each NFT, meaning fair and timely compensation, cost-effective cross-chain that's powered by Axelar, allowing users to mint NFTs on one chain like Polygon while paying out on another chain for optimized cost and flexibility. So you can create an agreement for under $1 and built-in trust-building reputation system, fostering credibility that's portable through our NFTs, enhancing reputation beyond siloed platforms like Upwork. So with Denota, you can easily create a shareable cross-chain NFT agreement with escrow or other secure payment terms powered by Axelar. We'll walk you through the whole process in our demo later. Our solution takes advantage of network effects on Web3 social platforms and NFT marketplaces, and it's all made possible by our SDK. So with our SDK, you can integrate Denota's functionality into your dApp in just a few lines of code. So our SDK supercharges your dApp through our composable primitive, enabling some very cool use cases across different industries and businesses. We solve business payment challenges across multiple verticals. We're currently especially focused on e-commerce and freelance platforms. Our NFT escrows reduce chargeback risks for e-commerce businesses while streamlining disputation enables freelancers to have an easier and more simple experience. For example, a freelance graphic designer could set up a milestone NFT agreement for a project, ensuring timely payments and more easily managed disputes. So let's walk through a live demo. So Cello is actually one of our investors. We're on Cello's testnet here. Let's say we're a freelancer on Cello's ecosystem that's doing some grant work. So first I can select the token that I like to be paid in and choose to create an invoice or request that I'll send to my client at Cello and then choose the amount. So I'll say 1,500 DAI. Next, I can select my recipient or my client. I can search for their ENS or lens handle. Or if I've worked with them before, I can pull them up in this address book. So let's use me as a test client. Next, we can add some metadata. So we can add email, some tags for record keeping, some notes, and an invoice. So I'll add my email. I'll add a tag to label this as Cello, and then I'll add some notes. I'll say for graphic design work. I've attached my invoice. And we'll attach a file. So for our example, let's attach the Bitcoin white paper. So I will save those details. Cool, so now we can select our payment terms, milestones, escrow, or direct pay. In this case, I've worked with this client before, so I'll select direct pay so that once the work is done, I can immediately receive the funds. Since I'm working on Cello and want to build up my reputation on Polygon, where all my favorite dApps are, OpenSea, Lens, Lenster, I'll check this box right here to mint this NFT cross-chain. So this NFT creates and lives on Polygon, but we can manage and receive payments on Cello's network. So now let's look over the details. This invoice is ready to be minted. So let's go ahead and create the invoice. All right, I'll take a second. While that's confirming, I can show you some of the other test nets that we're deployed on. We'll give that a second, and we should switch back to the dashboard once that's loaded. Cool, so now we're at the dashboard. So let's say I want to go ahead and switch to Polygon so I can view this invoice on Polygon. Cool, so that's the invoice I created on Cello. So let's view the details. So here we can share it to Lenster or we can view it on OpenSea. We can also view reputation right on Denota. So let's go to the social tab. So here we can search for different users and view their reputation, which makes it easier for freelancers and DAO members to build and share cross-chain portable reputation. Let me just search for myself, and there I am. So this is our demo right now. We plan to add legal doc templating, additional disputation options, and more very soon. So coming back to the demo. So competition-wise, our main competitors fall into two categories, e-commerce and peer-to-peer payments, with e-commerce competitors like Coinbase Commerce and peer-to-peer payments like Parcel or Request. We stand out with greater flexibility for pay terms, built-in dispute resolution, and cross-chain capabilities, making us the go-to for versatile on-chain pay agreements. And crypto payments today are booming. By 2030, the market will hit 2.2 billion. There's a huge opportunity with around 18.5 million US freelancers and businesses interested in Web3 payments. And we think by offering a secure and flexible NFT payment solution, we have a potential to disrupt this growing market and become a game changer in the way businesses handle payments. Our main revenue comes from tiered subscriptions with different features and support levels. We also earn through transaction fees on front ends, sharing these fees with our partners. On top of that, we offer custom NFT agreements and integrations for our clients and yield generation through trusted protocols like Compound and Aave. In Q2, we plan to launch on mainnet and deploy on 5+ chains, followed by yield generation and on-ramp integrations in Q3. By Q4, we aim to close our seed round and explore Web2 use cases and expand further. And our team has personal experience as freelancers. We face the challenges of delayed and missed payments and working with clients. We have backgrounds in engineering and startup experience. I'm a second-time crypto founder, and our team has engineering experience from Coinbase, Facebook, Flexport, and research experience from the University of Florida. Currently, we're not seeking investors actively, but we're looking out for strategic partners. We're also open to working with investors who can connect us with the right opportunities. So if you're interested in partnering or investing, let's talk. Thanks.